Hi everyone, welcome to our Waverley BMW How to series. My name is Bosco and this is Jerry.
Today we will show you how to use the parking assistant feature on your BMW vehicles so you can park your car automatically. The system can park the vehicle completely automatically, both parallel and perpendicular to the street. Activating the parking assistant is simple. Just press the parking assistant button on the center console.
The parking assist function works by measuring potential spaces on both sides of the street while driving past at low speed.
Select the desired parking space, then follow the instructions in the control display to carry out the parking procedure. Release your feet from the brake, hands off the steering wheel, and the parking assistant will do the rest for you.
The system can also do 90-degree reverse parking. However, the system does not relieve you of your personal responsibility to assist the situation. You can cancel the auto parking at any time by braking or steering. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or would like to arrange a one-on-one appointment, feel free to contact myself or Jerry.
Safe parking, and we're happy to see you in the next video.